In this tutorial, I will teach you how to link Printify to your Squarespace website. Let's start by signing into your Printify account. Please ensure that you have your login credentials handy. Once you have logged in successfully, you'll spot your store's name in the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it, which will open a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Manage My Stores. Click on that, and it will take you to a new page where you can see all the stores you handle. Now, it's time to add your Squarespace website to your list of stores. Look for and click on an option that says Add New Store. A list of icons will appear on your screen representing various platforms with which Printify can integrate. Here, you will select the Squarespace icon, a silver square in a circular logo. Clicking on this takes you a step closer to linking your Printify and Squarespace. Now, you will be asked to enter your Squarespace credentials to log in. This step is crucial as it builds the connection between Squarespace and Printify. Please go ahead and key in your login details for Squarespace. Once you are logged in, you will be prompted to allow Printify to access your Squarespace site. To proceed, you must click the Allow button. This gives Printify the permission it needs to manage your site. It also makes it easier for you to keep track of your online store operations, as the integration opens the door to Printify, dealing with order fulfillment and shipping directly. There you have it. You have successfully linked your Printify account to your Squarespace website. Make sure to double-check the accuracy of the information you have provided during this process to avoid any hiccups. You are now all set for a simplified, better-managed online store experience. Printify can now take care of order fulfillment and shipping, reducing the workload on your end. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Should you come across any issues during the process, please feel free to seek assistance from Squarespace and Printify's customer support. They are well equipped to deal with your problems and guide you. Remember, successful e-commerce operations are all about seamless integrations. By following this tutorial, you've made a great move towards simplifying and enhancing your operations. Thank you for watching. Tune in for more tutorials like this.